Hello country living. Beautiful home on large corner lot in the heart of Woodlawn. Huge concrete driveway that offers plenty of parking space. Covered front and back porch. Formal dining and living room. Separate den/office on main. Real laundry room. Master bedroom features shower/tub combo with double vanity. Walk-in closets in all bedrooms. LVP and LVT flooring installed 5 months ago. Newly replaced hot water heater. 50 and 30 amp camper hookups. 12 by 16 storage shed. Privacy fence.